Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leotales. So today we will be unboxing Cutebox. Now Cutebox is a monthly jewelry subscription priced at rupees 399 plus rupees 50 shipping, which makes it rupees 449. That is 900 rupees for 2 months. But if you use the code Niranjana, then for a bi-monthly subscription, you will get the 2 boxes at rupees 860 instead of 900. So this month the theme is Love is in the Air, a perfect theme for the Valentine's month, and the box is partly personalized also. The options and all will be discussed at the end of the video. So without wasting much time, let's get started and see what we have in Cutebox. So here we have Cutebox for the month of February, and it is Valentine's theme, so the box and all is red. So this is the card, and it says there are 5 products and some of them are personalized, so I will be adding the options in the end of the video. So the theme is Love is in the Air, which is a perfect theme for the month, and all the jewelry pieces are wrapped up neatly inside this. So let's open it up. The first jewelry piece that is common in all the boxes is this bracelet. It is a cute bracelet and something that you can wear despite your wrist size, and you can adjust it as well. Wow, this is so elegant and perfect Valentine's month, I would say. Really love the design, and the quality is also good. So it's a very pretty one. And this is the first product in my February Love is in the Air Cutebox. A very beautiful one, to be very honest. Now the second jewelry piece that I have here is a neck piece, and this is again common in all the boxes. So this is how the pendant of the neck piece looks like. We have 2 balls here, and which has some stones studded onto it. And it's a very dainty piece, and this is again common for all boxes. Really beautiful one. I have not seen these kind of neck pieces in Cutebox before, so a very good addition, something that goes very well with the theme. So a very pretty one, and I really like the design also. So this is the second jewelry piece in the February Love is in the Air Cutebox. Now moving on, we have an earrings. Now this was as per my choice, so I will be listing all the choices at the end of the video. So this is the double drop earrings that I picked, and again I feel it goes well with the other jewelry pieces in the box. So this is how you wear it, and these kind of earrings are pretty common these days, and this is how you wear it. Usually double drop is common, but a drop and then one side a rhombus design, it's very pretty, and I really like this one. Quality is okay, like usually it is as good as how these double drop earrings can be. So, and I'm really sorry about the noise, the background, if there is anything, there is some festival going on, so very sorry about that. So this is a very pretty earrings, and I really like the quality as well. So this is my third jewelry piece in the box. The next jewelry piece is an earrings. Again, this was a choice, and this is what I picked, and I truly loved what I picked. So this is green stone and white flowers, and a very elegant design, if I would say. I really like the quality of this one, and it looks very pretty. It is not very lightweight. I mean, it is quite heavy for the look of it. So very pretty earrings, and I really like it also, and I like the fact that they are giving color choices for the same. Now this, I feel it looks very beautiful. So this is my 4th jewelry piece in the Cutebox for the month of February. And finally I have a ring here. You can either go for a mirror ring, or you can go for something a very peculiar design like this, a very contemporary kind of design, and I really love this one. This looks so pretty. I thought it was slightly smaller, but it's okay, and it's a very beautiful design, and I very much love it. It is adjustable as well, so that is pretty good, and this looks amazing. I really have to adjust it and wear it because this is, wow, I really like this one. Very pretty, and such a statement piece. I really liked it. So this is the last ring or the last jewelry piece in my February Cutebox Love is in the Air theme, and this is how the back side of the ring looks like. So this is my last jewelry piece in the box. So that's everything I got in my Cutebox, and my box is empty right now. And to be very honest, I feel that this is one of the best editions of Cutebox. Even January edition was very good, but it was the Temples of India kind of thing. And February edition, when I saw the choices, I was like, yeah, okay, it's good. But when I right now see the products in detail, I feel that it's a good box. I feel for $399 the box is worth it, and my favorites are this ring, and I feel it's the bracelet. These 2 are my absolute favorites here. I really feel that the box is value for money, and it's the best gifting option also. So let me know how you liked February Cutebox Love is in the Air, and let me know what you think of this box and how you like the video. So also stay tuned for the options and all, which will be listed at the end of the video. So we will meet soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. So let's see what all the options are. As you know, the bracelet and the neck piece are the same for all. Earring number 1, you can either choose these double drops or these earrings. This is again a very beautiful party wear kind of piece. So this is the second option for the same. Now for the second earrings, you can go either with this design. I picked the green one. Or for the second earrings, you can go for these tassels as well. And finally for rings, these are the available designs. Yeah, that's it.